Today I'm checking out this 36 colors watercolor painting kit that I was sent so I could do this review. I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the box and let you see everything that this comes with. So when you open up the box, you're going to get all of these colors. There's 36 colors and there's many shades within this. Very nice. And a good sized little container of watercolor. Each one of these are 0.41 fluid ounces, 12 milliliters. Very cool. You also get this paint tray where you can do your mixing, you can have your water, a large array of brushes with different tips on them, different sizes, different points, and then you have a color swatch sheet. This sheet is so you can put on the different watercolors on it and see how they're going to look. So yeah, this thing comes with everything you need except for your canvas. I've been really happy with the Chalkola brand and the products that I've gotten from them. I really like it. I definitely think you'll really like it, and I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.